Hey guys, hopefully this video does not cut off on me. I wanted to show you guys the Iris Full Lace REMY 100% hair wig that I received. Oops, I actually got this from my mom from the beauty supply store. This is the color that I got her in. This is what it's called in case the video cuts off. It's the Sister 24. And that's the color that I received. It's 100% REMY human hair. It's an expensive wig, even on eBay, because I wanted to try to get a second one because my mom bought it for me. Even on eBay, this wig is going for like $200. I'm going to cut the lace off, but there is the combs in the top. There is the adjustable strap, and there's no comb in the back, so I'm really glad that it has the adjustable strap. I'm not going to use the back lace, so I'm going to cut that off. It has, as you can see, some baby hairs there. Don't think the baby hairs go all the way. Oh, they do. All the way around the lace. So I'm just going to cut the lace off. You'll see a picture of me in the thumbnail wearing this. And then I'll come back and do like a review after like a week of wearing it on like shedding and stuff like that. It is 100% REMY human hair. I don't know the difference. There's 100% human hair. There's 100% REMY human hair. There's 100% REMY hair. I mean, it's so much hair out here, you guys. I'm not even going to try to figure that out. The instructions are in the box to tell you to make sure it's well combed and how to wash it. Wash in warm water in a downward motion. Rinse the lace completely with warm water. Like all the instructions are in here. What not to do. Do not use oil sheen. We should really read these things sometimes, because sometimes I put stuff on these hair and it probably doesn't even need it. It probably just needs to be washed once I feel like I need to put stuff on it, because it says REMY hair does not require a lot of products. The fact is, the more products you apply to your hair, such as creams, gels, and oil sheen, the less desirable the hair will appear. So sometimes we just need to wash the hair. That's what we need to do. So I'm going to try to take care of this one because, like I said, it's very pricey. I did not purchase it. It was given to me by my mom, but I probably can't afford to get another one right away, so I'm going to be very careful with it. You can probably, like I said, look online for it. I did check eBay if you want to get one. It is the Sister 24-inch. I think there's a Sister 20-inch and a Sister 16-inch, so the name of it is Sister, is what I'm thinking. So I'm going to cut this off. I'm going to use my lace glue. I know I bent it so you can't really see the name of it, but this is the lace glue that I use. It's by BMBA. Hold on. I hate when this darn thing don't focus. There we go. BM or BMB. It's a lace glue that I get from the beauty supply store for $4.99. Very strong, and I don't use much of it. And after I put the lace glue on, I spray my head with this. And usually my lace fronts units will stay on for at least a week with that. It'll stay on for at least a week. Okay, so here she is. She is beautiful, and she is 24 inches.